Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is the Factory 5 Cobra. Beautiful silver, 351 Windsor under the hood. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see the clean bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood and fire it up. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. I love the silver on the car. The white stripes are hot. We do have one little nick in the white paint right here. I'll have the guys touch that up. The silver is laid down on there, slick as can be. And I tell you what, when you're painting cars, silver is one of the toughest colors to make look beautiful because that metallic has got to flow. And I tell you what, the painter on this project did a beautiful job. Jet coated side pipes, got the Halibran style wheels. You can see the wood steering wheel, the 4-point harness seat belts. Of course, it's got a 5-speed Tremec in it. All those labels you see on the switches, all those come off. That's just on there so you can figure out how to run your hot rod. It's got the dash has all been upholstered also. The carpeting looks good. Just everything about the car is phenomenal. You can see all the paint work there on the deck lid and a quarter looking slick. All the chrome looks good. Now there is enough room on the trunk to get a couple of lawn chairs in there. You can see they did something really cool. They mounted the battery there where you can get at it. Most of these Cobras, the batteries are mounted down underneath where you gotta spend half the day getting underneath them to find that thing. Now take a look at those side pipes. They're looking beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not consignment dealers. That means we own this vehicle. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When we bring them back here to the showroom, we inspect them so Tom can answer your questions. Now, I'm in charge of buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. Let's take this Cobra for a ride. At Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. If you need financing, we can help you out with financing, no problem whatsoever. You can do all of that from the comfort of your own living room. Just give Tom a call. He will set you all up, make it real easy to park this dream in your drive. So call Tom anytime. He's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. You just give him a call. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're real close to the airport. So if you need some fly in and check out the car in person, no problem whatsoever. Fly on in, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. If you would like to drive in like on a Saturday, we're actually open on Saturdays too. Call Tom, let him know you're coming because we do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. So we've always got new stuff coming in. We've got between 45 and 50 new units coming in every month. So check us out often. You never know what we're gonna have coming in tomorrow. Now we're gonna do something you don't see anybody else in the neighborhood doing. We're gonna put this thing up in the air so you can see the bottom. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. Get around the corner here. We'll open it up a little bit and see what she does. You can see down here on the dash, we got speedo, tack, all the gauges you need. Hold on, we're gonna go. that was only about half throttle. So she will get up and go. You do not have to worry about merging into rush hour traffic. If there's a hole there, you can put this car in it. It will go, guys. Like I said earlier, we'd love to have you come out. If you'd like to send an inspector, no problem whatsoever. We will treat your inspector just like we treat you. We're gonna get this car up in the air for you now so you can check out the bottom side. Here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Factory 5 Cobra now, nice and clean under here. You can see it's got the protection on the fuel tank. Of course, the fuel tank's up there and it's brand spanking new. Some big fat rubber meeting the ground here. Big old Panhard bar. Now this has got a Mustang setup here. It's got a triangulated 4-link here. 8.8 rear end with this billet aluminum housing here for the cover. Right around the 351 gear, and it is Posi. Of course, all that drive shaft, you can look at both U-joints at the same time. So cool. You can see how the tin work looks good. The paint on the frame is beautiful, and I tell you what, these frames under these Factory 5s are amazing. I tell you, you could hold a bridge up with this frame. You can see the jet-coated headers. That jet coating is looking beautiful, both sides. All the paint work looks good. All the tin work looks good. Tremec 5-speed trans with a cable clutch. Up front here, we've got 351 stroker power, 391 stroker up front here. We've got rack and pinion steering, and it is not power. We do have, looks like an aluminum cross-flow radiator with a big electric fan on it. Disc brakes up front and disc brakes in the rear also. Everything under here is nice and clean, looking sweet. I tell you what, this is a real cool little car here. You know what? You might want to get a set of mirrors and show off the bottom side of this car. It is so clean. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, it's got the Hallebrand style wheels. It's got the knockoffs on them, but you got to take the lug nuts off to get the wheels off. We do have BFGs, 235/60 15s, and again, right there's where the music comes out, those beautifully jet-coated side pipes. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got more rubber where the horsepower meets the road, 275/50 15s, and again, same good-looking rims, same good-looking lug nuts, and same good-looking spinner. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a Windsor Based motor. This thing's a 391 stroker. So another 40 cubic inches from the 351 base. It's got a Demon carburetor on it. You can see it's got a manual choke on it there. The coating on the headers looks good. The Ford Racing wires look good on the spark plug wires. It's got an aftermarket distributor in it, aluminum water pump, aluminum pulleys. You can see the manual steering here, and it's got a balanced brake setup here, so you can change that. You know, you've got a reservoir for the front and the rear brakes there. It's got fully adjustable front suspension. I mean, just a beautiful job on this Cobra, and it's silver, and it's fast. This thing is sweet, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.